Guys, mohane dia gondola de wow.
Yes.
Cheers, baby.
Hello, papande.
Oh my god, look. Listen.
Forget about that.
Soon itu jaga to harai jawo.
Then I thought, mew mew mew. Let's go.
Guys, ito la basilica bima nalagas na. Hey guys, hi. Good morning everyone. I hope everyone is doing good. So today is the second day in Venice and today we will go and explore proper Venice together. So we booked a free walking tour. Super excited because Venice is also a city super rich in history. Not only the bling and not only the beauty. So I'm super excited and come along, let's go together.
Hello, papande.
How are you enjoying the ride? It's so sunny today as well, nah?
Yes, today is a perfect day like yesterday.
Yeah.
Not a single cloud.
That's true.
Only sun and good vibes.
Yes. Guys, mga video what this is. Ito Venice na, it's surrounded by small islands. Ito one the hand, ito what lagi to go from one place to another. People who are living in these islands, of course, they will take the boat every day to the city for work. But with this view, during the summertime especially, I think it's an added bonus. Actually, many visitors, many tourists who comes to Venice, they miss visiting the small islands. I mean, Venice is beautiful and everything, but the islands have character of its own. Super beautiful, super calm. Guys, so Venice is surrounded by waters. It's like small islands, and in order to reach across islands, you have to take this water passes. Ah, yeah, sorry. My husband is enjoying the sunshine and playing his games. The walking tour will start in 2 minutes. Oh, let's go and explore Venice together, guys. Okay guys, ito gondola kan sabido hai. Ito sundo na hoy. Aya. Kiman sundo seo. Yeah, oh my god, now just look at how many people.
Not even in the center yet.
Yes, it's not the center, but still. Oh my god. Guys, sabi. Idia 90% na huli. Manukando salida. Oh my god. Let's see if Venice lives up to the expectation.
Only 3 canals in all the It's about 2-3 meters, so maximum 9 feet deep, but depends on the tide. Every day it's different. So take a look to that boat over there. The name of that boat?
Which boat?
The black boats over there.
Gondola.
Gondola. So if you're looking for a gondola, check for this affair. So I wanna try to help you to be a real Venetian.
Yeah. This is the narrowest. Oh my god. Guys, it seems this is the narrowest street here in Venice. Oh my god, guys. See, look at these houses. It seems back in the day this was a red light district. And 11,000 prostitutes used to live here before.
The naked woman from the windows. Because in this area we had ladies that started a career that became famous ladies. For example, Veronica Franco. Veronica Franco was the most famous, no? Beautiful, smart, no? Prostitute or better, courtesan. So she had an upgrade. She became the courtesan for rich people and started the career here. But nowadays no one shows anymore books from symbol of spirituality and holiness. So it's the symbol of Saint Mark, San Marco the Evangelist. No? Marco was not Venetian, he never lived in Venice, he didn't die here, but his body
Okay guys, so this is a typical fish market in Venice. Especially for fish. He or she's not scared even. Oh. But they have several of these. Fresh, The Tourist with Johnny Depp. Wow. Okay guys, so now we are the most well-known part of Venice, the Grand Canal. Oh. Ah yeah, so beautiful, crazy. It's chaotic but beautiful as well. So chaotic at the same time, very beautiful. So we were taking pictures and videos and I think we lost our tour group.
I'm just saying that this is the shop with the most extravagant mask that I have ever seen before.
This one.
Yeah, forget about this. Just look at the jeans one. This is really crazy. This is like
it's an expression of art.
This is like also out of the movies or something with double faces.
Guys, actually Venice is known among other things for their mask. Face
which
mask.
They used for carnival. For
carnival.
6 months they celebrated.
Yeah,
and
but now, back in the day, but not now.
And as long as you're wearing the mask,
you can
do party with everybody.
And you can mix between rich and poor. And that's the only time you can mix with the elite. And nobody will recognize you. I think it's a great way to socialize. But they don't have the traditional one that our tour guide told us about.
For sure they have the inside there. There's so many. You want to buy one mask for yourself?
What will I do with mask, baby?
Wear it.
The store is closed, so we cannot go inside, but they have super cool mask. Hey, this is like Medusa or what? Medusa mask.
Keep it in
Oh my god, guys. So jagade culture la kala thaganis na thagane do culture be do carnival do na. Usually mohan carnival do miss hoshi. First week of March te thage. Manukhan all over the world were here. Do carnival do saule na. Albe mohan miss hoshi de. Albe good thing is idia apni khan manoi man bishi dikhias na. Carnival time to do the world double triple thagyo. So it's also nice that we are coming after the carnival time.
The bags of the future.
The bags of the future. This is like the one bag that I have, baby. The same, actually. Your mom bought it for me from Bulgaria.
Yeah,
it's the
she
same.
lives in the future.
Yeah, she knows the bags of the future. I have the same one, this one in green.
It's, my mom was once selling bags now, and they were manufactured there, but the leather came from Italy actually. So.
Okay guys, makan Italian pizza kasi oh, but tasty as well. It's so simple, but so tasty, so crunchy. Good. Guys, ito la pesali kabi ma nalagas na. Upore do bending no nai. Ito sen mark te thaganis na na. Holbi yade gigi sculpture kan do pishase. It's very different. Oh, this is the organ, the big organ. So to every church service they have the organ do pajawo. Wow. Baby, look behind you, look behind you. Isn't this so impressive from the outside as well?
Mamma mia.
Ito ang pura hat brass sculptures kan panala. So itulah church to na. Call ornaments kan ki design kon man do nai de holwi thakan sculptures they emphasize Korean ase. So every church is here in Venice that we've been to are distinct from each other. Are to do Prada, Versace, Valentino do hi-fi la. Tell me the story about Miu Miu, baby.
So there's a shop which is called Miu Miu. I thought like, okay, this must be like some casual whatever shop, and then I saw that the jacket is 5,000 euros. So then I thought, Miu Miu Miu, let's go, let's go. This is not for us. I don't like it.
Okay guys, so yesterday we went for a free walking tour and we learned a lot about the city of Venice. And I wanted to just mention a few things that I was shocked to learn. First of all, Venice was a country of its own, it seems. So it was nowhere related to Rome, it was nowhere related to Italy. Man, crowded as the Coachella. It's so crowded, guys. This is the main touristy area of Venice. But still, it's very beautiful. Guys, our second guys na, ito one beautiful city of Venice. Idia dikado. Soon ito jaga do harai jawo. Kya se kushi bole do ito la city do completely pani la upore panai na se. At one point ito pani do water level do rise ho. Aro the water level do fish rise ho shibule do obviously buildings kan kan so pani la nije de hoi jawo. That is the reason why it's so surreal. And guys, that is also one of the reasons why I'm so excited to be here, because one day maybe our grandchildren, they might watch these videos and they might ask about Venice, and we can tell them stories about Venice, guys, when Venice is no more. Guys, mohan idia gondola de buina se aro gondola de buina views mana lakasde pani de buina sabe che lakase
Somebody's living here, or it's just
of
like
course people live here. Yes, it's nice to have this experience, even if it is expensive also.
this looks very abundant.
Yeah.
Alle regia mi dice che ora come i poca via. Infatti poi puoi far dopo. Vabbè. Devo via grazie. Detto che li cacciamo ai fino a Giacomo che
Storage use because it's very humid. It's very humid to live. Sabi gondola del nato chiesle.
Ah, ti deve vestire normale.
Oh my god. That looks so
Un
beautiful.
perfetto blu. Da
This is
fatto.
how gondola looks like, guys. Guys, sabido niche de brado in Look,
Oggi non riesco.
everything is above the waters.
Un martedì o un lunedì magari dopo lavoro vediamo se riesco a passare e guardo se c'è qualcosa. Anche perché ti perdo, bisogna che la compra altrimenti.
Yeah, it's nice to have this perspective also, to be very honest, baby.
Il problema magari per i pai, vedremo come metti sui pai. Se va magari sono per i tempi.
How do you like it, baby?
Anche a me quelli che sono messo più lì. Per adesso poi ho fatto un po' cambiare.
This perspective is everything. This is rich.
E poi mi sono informato sulla vecchiattetta che anche secondo altri non conviene fare comprare il cooperativa stanca.
We cannot do this 3-4 times, but definitely it's worth paying the money to have this experience. Guys, ito the Grand Canal de Duquaside, the busiest part of the canal in Venice. Wow. View the Savina. Oh my god. This is a very beautiful view, guys. Super beautiful.
Actually, what I just remembered, just a moment, is like, you remember our first travel, where we traveled the first time together?
Yes.
How was this?
Kashmir?
What did we do there?
Gondola. But this was different.
We went also on the lake with the boats now.
Yes, that's the Dal Lake.
Yeah, I just remembered that this is, I mean, obviously this is very much different, but still,
The experience is a little bit similar.
Magari che ha messo il video che vedeva I motori. Hai visto?
I just remembered this.
Oh my god. Sundra guys. Oh my god.
So beautiful.
Cheers, baby. Happy anniversary. So we're starting with our anniversary meal with the champagne. Wow. Just look at the steam.
Yes.
Wow. Can you smell it? It smells so good.
It is very good, yeah.
So guys, I am having the octopus, baby octopus. And my husband is having the spaghetti with mussels. Spaghetti with mussels. Ha!
I comment something. Oh, the steam is coming still.
Look.
What shall I look there? What is there? Ah, it's
Baby
good.
octopus.
It's Garo.
Okay, so this is the fish of the day.
Hello, Papande. This is my fish.
It smells so fresh. Wow.